Residents in Frankfield, Clarendon are calling on the authorities to fix several breakaways in their community after a popular musician, Barrington Levy, escaped injuries in an accident in the area today. We have the details in this report.
What was supposed to be a peaceful day with his children almost turned deadly for reggae icon Barrington Levy. The culprit, this breakaway in Frankfield, Clarendon. TVJ News understands that the entertainer was driving along the Grantham Main Road Tuesday morning when an oncoming vehicle, attempting to swing from a pothole, drove into the pathway of Mr. Levy's vehicle. The musician swayed from the vehicle, resulting in the front end of his car going over the precipice. Mr. Levy and his two children who were on board escaped physical injuries, but mentally.
Me and my sister are deeply traumatized.
All I want to say that they don't really care about us. They don't business with the people are not inclined that. They can't be so slack. And so lackadaisical where the road is concerned. And if the police can see you drive without your 2025 sticker on your car, they want to take away your car from you and this and that. But why are we paying all these taxes for?
No, this isn't the first time a motorist is escaping death in the area. As far back as May 2022, biker escapes death at breakaway in Andrew Hill, Frankfield. And there have been several similar incidents subsequent to this one.
Twice for about maybe in a year, 2 buses went over there.
The residents have even staged protests over the years, appealing to the authorities for a fix. But to this day, the breakaways are still there and eroding further each time it rains.
We are riding the vehicles and we are afraid they'd go over the precipice. This bridge vehicle went over there already in the river and they came and they fixed a little narrow bridge there. And now look at this here. It's broken up already long time and nobody looks at it.
Why road are rough, my brother? Really rough. We work a week time and fix car on Sunday daytime. That's how we have to do. Because we don't have no better for them. And we don't have no representative. Nobody knows the way.
That representative would be the National Works Agency, NWA. Communications manager Stephen Shaw told our news center that the agency is aware of the breakaways and is taking the necessary steps to fix them. He, however, didn't provide a timeline as to when repairs will begin. Now, as for today's incident, he said the agency will be carrying out an investigation. The residents' hope is that the issue won't be dragged out for much longer.